Let me come this side. Our smoothie is ready. Let me open it. Yay. Yeah, it looks good. Actually, very good. Cheers. Cheers. Love you, bhai. Love you. So, when was the last time you actually cooked? Do you know how to cook?
No.
That's why we're friends.
One of the many reasons.
Never, no?
So, you know, if I had to survive to cook, we would manage.
Like dal chawal types.
Dal,
chai.
chai.
Those three things.
Chai is very hard to make. Good chai is very hard to make.
We're all too busy to cook elaborate meals. But staying healthy doesn't need hours. This smoothie we're having is proof. Crompton Ameo Fresh makes sure we don't compromise health just because life is hectic.
And honestly, it's really yummy.
It is yum.
I'm not just saying, I really mean it. It's actually really
yum.
good.
Crompton Ameo Fresh, healthy choices made easier.